In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to publish a product on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Products section from the left sidebar. Here, you can either create a new product or open an existing draft product that you want to publish. After opening the product editor, make sure all the required fields are completed. Your product should have a title, description, price, cover image or thumbnail, and the product files uploaded properly. If you are selling a digital product, make sure the downloadable files are attached before publishing. You can also preview the product page to see how it will appear to customers before making it live. Once everything looks good, click Save and continue at the top right corner of the page. After that, click the Publish button to make the product live on your store. Keep in mind that Gumroad may require you to connect a payout or payment method before publishing products for customers. Once published, customers will be able to view and purchase your product using your Gumroad product link. And that's how to publish a product on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and good